I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Pictures on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
We will make fried rice. Before we make it, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Aksi. I am Irwansa.
My name is Muhammad Gilang.
I am Firdaus.
First, prepare all ingredients.
Rice, salt, chili,
Onions, sausage, ketchup,
eggs, oil, tomato.
After that, prepare the all tools, knife and spatula, frying pan and plate and pistol. Before that, we have to write the ingredients first. Once the ingredients are smooth like this, we move on to the next stage, namely cutting the sausage. Let's go! So, then we cut the sausage into small pieces according to our individual taste. Add the sausage first and cook until brown. When it is brown, add the ground spices and stir it until evenly mixed. Then add the rice, then stir until evenly mixed with the prepared spices. Then add the soy sauce to make it taste more delicious. And add the sausage that was sliced into small pieces. Then stir until evenly mixed with the spices. Then we move on to the next stage, namely frying the eggs. And this is the result of the fried rice that we have made. That's what we do, we eat it.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.